In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Roblox Sailor Peace Discord server. This is a quick and easy process that only takes a few moments. First, open the Discord app on your computer or mobile device. Next, look at the left side of the screen where your servers are listed. Scroll down and click the plus icon to add a server. When the menu appears, select Join a Server. You'll now see a box where you can enter an invite link. Type Sailor Peace into the box. Once you've entered the invite link, click the Join Server button in the bottom right corner. Discord may ask you to complete a verification step to confirm that you're a real person. Discord will now add you to the Sailor Peace server. If the server has a verification system, make sure to follow the instructions in the Welcome or Verification channel. After completing verification, you'll be able to access the server channels, announcements, community discussions, and other features. And that's how you can join the Roblox Sailor Peace Discord server. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox guides and tutorials.